Ani yago tongo sini contestants on the results. Ang norno tay bisi degrlia, norok kesangka, norok jorau kobo kolom khana, piaba tay kisi sa jora nasini. Hari, singkabuk, our result no naina bagi thangi jong. Sini contestants ro, not ready da, not ready kan able. Pai phano, paya phano. Tini ni result, not ni tali khao, not ni history wo tini ni yagulo sijaka norok asik kosto khlai asik sa jorar woi nor joro sopeka norni talent bai norni phan bai norni sirumung bai norni rehearse bai nor tini oro sopeka sini EMs sini MDCs tai sini former EM botong Borobo joto khakali na sabno narne sabno nariga result aba haina nongkhorkha semi finale wo khorok tham tai ngei norok or khorok sajona nor sopeka khorok ba tongna jaga wo norni kapal kaham did your result no announce kaisinai but before that Sini Paji ready to talk? Narajoto ready na? Are you ready? Thank you. And the result is Tolani Bukakti Gang Janchinai. Mehdi Deverma on the stage, please. Ang tabu nungin hartinai sini buskango MDC Uma Shankar sini buskango sini bukuk mehelino ini shokatno yafana bagi Position one. Bukuk Mehli. Bo. Sixth position of Simbai Baksakai competition round of grand finale of sixth position of Bo Paika. Thank you so much. Ladies and gentlemen, Mehli on the sixth position. Sing Jota Yapa Korlane, please. Man gets activity in Korlane. Bonnie Logio. Bonnie check. Bonnie check Yapardanai. Bonnie check Bo Yapardanai. 5,000 rupees check. Thank you so much, Mehli, for that wonderful competition put forward in grand finale. Next, fifth position of top table song. Are you ready? Paidongo, Nornibuskango. Contestants, are you ready? Fifth position of Paiga, Buku, Ishita, Tipra. Thank you. Holland, please. And Bono Yapana Bagay, Benisokano Yapana Bagay, and Lumina Hanai, Emily, Patanlal Jamatia on the stage. Senjata Holland, please. Boni Bagay. On the fourth position, Belaike Wansumani Yagulo, Belaike tough competition Yagulo, fourth position of Sopeka, tie. Semi-finale, Koroktam tie Raka, Koroktam equal marks before Kaika. But finale Korok Nari, fourth round of Sopeka. So let me announce the names. Priya Chamata on the stage, please. Next, may I call upon Basran Tipra on the stage, please. May I now call upon the Chief Legal Advisor, Dr. Mahan Jamatia on the stage, please. And CEO of TTAADC, CK Jamatia on the stage, please, sir. Borok Ngai, Sini, fourth position of Sopeka. Borok Kuni Bisingo, Soman numbers, Mama Bagay, Borok Tayo Sopeka. Central Yapa Holland in Bagay, please. And Tahute Bokuson. Nabogang non Nibuskango announced Kana Naidomo. The second runners-up. Second runners-up, third position of Ninjago. Bonibona and Tabo non Nibuskango announced Kana Night. Let me call upon Miss Shushmita Deverma on the stage, second runners-up. May I now call upon the EM of TTAADC ICA Department, Shuel Deverma on the stage, please. Side, Bonnie, check amount of rupees 25,000 along with a guitar. Malaika Hambai. Biglayo ito sa Hanoi Tangpinay. Sini. First runners up. Oh. Buguk Sushmita. Buguk Sushmita nini trophies. Buskango Yaparzaka, City EM ICA Department and Sports Nimisim TK Shuhel Deverma. Ladies and gentlemen, let us now welcome the first runners-up of tonight's event. competition to the winner is Sabo Saidaman. Ready? Sabo. Baksani tik panang limano. Baksani enya panang mano. But sing joto ya bokol lenai joto chir khol lenai. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Rahel Kalo on the stage, please. This is the first runners-up. Rahel Kalo on the stage. Bono ya panang yang koinai. Sini. GTA di sini nih, EM Fishery Rajesh Tipra. Dalai kahampai. Ulta. Kaisa trophy. Logio 50,000 rupees check amount. 50,000 rupees. Boni logio kaisa guitar. Ladies and gentlemen, we have our first runners-up. Check amount 2 rupees, 50,000. And no nibus kango, antabuk sini final winner. No announce China na ito. Piaba winner na sigang tubuglag. Puilang nominahanay sini GTA di sini CEM Purno Chandra Jamatia stage of Hanabagi sir, please. And now that final round. The final round is Rupesh Tipra on the stage, please. The winner of TTAADC presents Tipra Idol Season 1. Guys, a trophy. Guys, a guitar. Logio. Guys, a scooty tie. 1 lakh rupees amount of check and a scooty. Senjoto ya pohon ni David Bagay. And this is history from today on. Second edition ni Bagay. Tahu te bohsong. Nara joto ready de ton. Sing Tipra Idol Season 2 Dewi Jain Hai Hainin Chalo Sing Tubi Paitinai Tau Te Bosong Nor Jotona Hambai Nor Sume Baksa Sini Palega Dai Sini contestants No Nor Belai Ki support Kaiga Paini Sing Sini Finals Dono Sing Narnai De Borni Photo session for Sing Trailer Yeah.